Hello everyone, another week, another trading lessons. So, meron akong konting profit lang for this week. I'm gonna share the trades that I took. So, this is the first trade. Trade na today ko is in a lower time frame, either 5-minute or 1-minute time frame lang. And then also, because I'm taking a small lot size because I was recently wiped out. So, kaya maliit lang yung lot size ko for this week. So, first trade is this one. This is a loss. I entered a short. Now, simply because I was really just following the trend here. We can see na this is an uptrend. After niyang mag-uptrend, nag-change na siya ng direction. So, kaya nag-enter ako ng short. I was just trying to ride the trend, and unfortunately I got stopped out here. So this is a loss. Another trade is this one. So basically for this week, guys, I was able to see a lot of triangle patterns. So you will see a lot of patterns like this one. I plotted this ascending or descending triangle pattern it's either in a 5-minute or 1-minute time frame. So anyway, pinlot ko siya dito. And I was able to see na nagde-trade lang yung price dito sa area na to. And kaya nag-enter ako ng long dito sa part na to. Unfortunately, I got stopped out here. So bakit nga ba ako nag-enter ng long dito? I know this shouldn't be a long position because you can see na wala pa siya dito sa gitna or wala pa nga siya dito sa baba, pero nag-enter na ako ng long. So mali itong entry na to, obviously. So kaya ako na-stopped out dito. So after nun is naghintay pa talaga ako ng setup, and hinintay ko pa talaga yung price na, of course, na tumama dito sa lower part ng triangle. So I was able to see a setup here, and we can see that there is some sort of rejection in this part. So kaya nag-enter na ako ng long dito sa part na to. Although this is a risky trade, I would say. Risky trade siya kasi medyo nasa gitna na siya ng triangle. And as you can see, muntik pang tamaan yung aking stop loss area. Although yung stop loss area ko dito, guys, is pag nag-enter ako ng triangle patterns, is that talagang nilalagpas ko pa yung aking SL area sa mga trend lines. So, nilagpas ko siya ng kaunti, and as you can see, saktong-sakto pumunta dito yung price. And yun nga, this is a high risk trade. Medyo risky talaga siya. Pero I was able to take profit here. That's a good thing. So, first TP ko is dito sa may part lang talaga ng trend line sa upper part ng triangle. Bakit ko nilagay yung first TP dito is simply because again, kapag tinamaan siya, it's gonna go back down or it will try to break out. So, ang second na possibility yung nangyari, which is nag-breakout siya. So, hindi na siya bumalik dito sa part na to, sa inside ng triangle. So, this is my first TP. And then, my second TP is this one. 1:2 yung aking risk-reward. So, anyway, this is a good trade. Another trade is this one. Again, you can see, drawing na naman ako ng sort of a triangle pattern here. Anyway, nag-enter ako ng long dito sa part na to. Although, you might say that this is kind of a late entry already. When I say late entry is because binrake niya yung trend line na ito dito sa part na to. Supposedly should be entering at this part or at this part. Pero ako is I don't know, I think I was looking at the 5-minute time frame here. Kaya ako nag-enter dito. And as you can see, ang laki ng aking stop loss area. I think I was actually looking at the 5-minute here. Kaya ganito kalaki yung aking stop loss area. So anyway, I was able to take profit here. 1:1 lang yung ginawa kong risk-reward ratio here. So this is a good trade as well. Another trade is this one. So you can see, nag-drawing na naman ako ng triangle pattern here. So again, like I said, gold is consolidating this week. So I was able to see a lot of triangle patterns. So these are both losses. Nag-enter ako ng short dito sa part na to, and I was able to get stopped out in this part. And as you can see, this is kind of frustrating as well because you can see na tinouch lang yung aking stop loss area. Lumagpas lang siya ng kaunti and then reject and then nagtuloy na siya pababa. So yung dumiretso na siya sa aking bias. So this is, if you will look this in a, I was looking at this, checking this in a 15-minute, 30-minute time frame, you can see that it's actually parang tinouch lang talaga siya and then bubalik na siya sa direction ko. So this is kind of a little bit, frustrating for me as well. Same thing dito sa nangyari dito, as you can see. After niyang i-touch yung aking stop loss area, yes, lumagpas pa siya talaga ng ilang pips pa. And then saka siya dumiretso dito sa aking direction. Again, high risk, high reward, right? Siguro kung nilakihan ko pa yung risk, yung SL area ko dito, siguro pag tinaas ko pa siya ng kaunti, malamang yan is hindi ako ma-stopped out, and then I was able to take profit here. But, ayun nga, unfortunately, I got stopped out because medyo nililiitan ko lang yung aking stop loss kasi I got recently wiped out. So, kaya medyo binababaan ko lang yung aking SL area. After nitong trade na to, as you can see, nag-drop yung gold. So, I don't know kung natamaan kayo nito, guys. Tingnan mo, ang laki ng binagsak niya. So, hindi ako nag-trade niya nung nakita ko yan. Pinabayaan ko lang siya. So, in this trade, this is the last trade. I was testing a setup here. Or I was testing a strategy. So, I was also looking at the 5-minute time frame in here. So, I entered a long. Because this trend is a downtrend, right? So, after niya mag-downtrend, nag-change na siya ng direction. So, pataas na siya. And I can also see that it's trying to make a higher high. And nag-drawing ako ng trend line dito. So, I took a long. Yung RR ko dito actually, guys, is nakaganyan siya. Mataas siya actually. Parang nasa 1:4. And then my first TP is this one. So around 1:2. I was kind of greedy here. So I was able to take profit here. And then yung aking second TP is actually sa taas pa eh. After ko mag-out dito sa area na to, inintay ko siya. And I was able to see na nahihirapan siya. And you can see na nag-consolidate lang siya. So, kinlose ko yung aking second position dito. Right after niya, i-break niya itong trend line na to. So, after niyang i-break yung trend line na to, nag-close na ako. Kinlose ko na yung position, second position ko. And it was a good decision kasi you can see na bumaba siya ulit. So, nagtuloy na siya bababa. I was able to enter along here is because etong linya na to, itong trend line na to, or itong part na to, this is a key level for me as well. So, kaya ako nag-enter dito ng long. And after ko mag-enter ng long, ayun nga, I was able to take profit. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung result for this week. Second week of Feb, so I took 15 trades, 6 wins and 9 losses. I was able to profit like $19 for this week, guys. And overall na P&L ko or profit ko sa aking account is $1,910 or around $33. So lesson for this week is that there's only one lesson, is that high risk, high reward. Diba? Because may previous trade ako dito na ayun nga, kung mas malaki pa yung SL area ko is I'm gonna be able to take profit there. So, ayun lang muna for this week, guys. Thank you.